Assalamu alaikum. My dear student, how are you? I hope all are well by the grace of Allah, and I am also well. Most welcome to our another online class. We have the Chart.Najmun Girls High School. I am Nahar Shova, Assistant Teacher English. So, well student, today I would like to tell about graph and chart from your writing part. So, today's topic is graph and chart. If you read class 9 or 10 or SSC student, so you must know graph chart properly. Otherwise, you can get full marks. So you should know this seriously. So all of you, this is very important for your examination. Otherwise, we can see this types question, various types question we can see in our examination, such as line chart, pie chart, table chart, graph and chart, pyramid, etc. This type question we can see in our examination, and it has given writing part. Its mark is 10. So sometimes we can see graph chart is for writing is analyzing very important. Otherwise, it is three types mentioned we can see in our examination. You can see on the board. Here, for writing graph chart, we should know three topics. So, 1 number topic sentence, 2 number supporting sentence, and 3 number conclusive sentence. We should know about 3 topics for graph chart writing because it is very important for our examination. Otherwise, today I have given one example, sample question I have given for all students for your examination. You can see here one question I have written here, such as the graph chart shows the number of the internet users of Bangladesh in the year of 2012 to 2017. Now describe the graph chart in 150 words. You should highlight and summarize the information given in the graph. So here is given internet users of Bangladesh. The number of internet users of Bangladesh in year of 2012 to 2017. Otherwise, you can see here I have drawn a picture. Here I have written, at first I have written 2012 and used internet 50%. Then 2013, next year, we can see here 56% used internet. Then we can see here next year for 14 years we can see 53% used in internet. Then next year we can see 70% used in internet, and next year 70% used in internet, and same 15 years 2015 and 2016 same percentage used in examination. Then 2017 years, the number of internet use 80%. So now we will write graph and chart in our examination, and this types question will come in your examination. Okay, all of you? So for this we should know sample graphs. You can see here sample graphs I have written here. You can write the graph shows that main subject. Then according to the graph or at first glance, then blanks you can write from your question. Then the graph shows that, then blank, but, then blank, then however, then blank again, then blank, also blank, thus or overall the graph shows. Finally you can see, and this is it is connector, we can say. You add this graph chart. So sample graph chart I have seen for you. Otherwise you can use connectors. The graph shows the according to the chart. The graph shows that, but, however, again, also, thus, and this is called connectors. You can use in the graph chart, and it is very, very important for your graph chart. Okay, all of you? Okay, now I will write, and these types, 4 types tense for writing graph chart. You can see 4 types tense for writing graph chart. You can see 1 number increase graph, and here has given 1 number climb to, 2 number increase to, so you can give climb to or increase to. 2 number reduced graph. If is a reduced graph, 1 number drop to, you can reduced graph. Okay, 3 number has given reminded graph. 1 number didn't change, reminded stable at, and this is you can write for your graph chart. And 4 number get or down graph. 1 number raise and fall or floated around. Okay, now we will write graph chart. You can see here board I have written question, sample question, and previously I can say I have said this question, so otherwise also I have written here. You can see the graph chart shows the number of internet users of Bangladesh in the year of 2012 to 2017. Now describe the graph in 150 words. You should highlight and summarizes the information given in the graph. So you can see I have drawn a picture. You should highlight which year highlight and percentage used in the in internet users of Bangladesh, and lowest percentage used of used internet in of Bangladesh. Okay, so now we can see, now I have written answer graph and chart. You can see here I have written graph chart. Otherwise at first you can see here sample graph I have written here, the graph chart showed, so I didn't write answer. So now here I have written the graph shows the number of internet users of Bangladesh. You can write from your question the number of internet users of Bangladesh. Okay, you can see the graph shows the number of internet users of Bangladesh. Then connector, next connector, according to the graph, the lowest percent was the in the year of 2012. So here I have seen here 2012 50% lowest percentage users of internet of Bangladesh. So at first according to the graph, the in lowest percent was in the year of 2012 okay, and it was 50%. Then the highest users were in the year of 2017. So you can see graph chart also I have given highest percentage 80% and 2017 year, and here lowest percentage 2012 50%. So at first here I have written according to the graph, the lowest percentage was in the year of 2012, it was 50%, and the highest users were in the year of 2017, it was 80%. Okay, all of you can understand. Then connector I have written the graph shows that the internet users fluctuated around 50%. So the users 50%, internet flux rate around 50% to 80%, 50% to 80%. Okay, from the year 2012 to 2017, 2012 to 2017. Okay, in 2012 the users were 50%, and the next 2013 we can see 57 6% or 56%, and during the period the users varied from 6%. So difference 6%. Okay, then but in the next year 2014, next year's 2014, so we can see here 53%, and it decreased. So we can see 13 we can see 56, and 14 is 53. So decreased, it is decreased, and it decreased 3% from the 2013 to 2014. So however, in 2015 and 2016 the percentage didn't change. You can see here 15 and 16 didn't change percentage, 70% and 70%. Okay, again we notice that in the year of 2017, in the users were recorded 18%, so we can say 80%. Okay, and that was as the highest percent, so we can say previously the highest percent was 80%. Okay, and graph chart 80% was highest, and the lowest percent is 50%. 50% number of internet users of Bangladesh. Okay, thus the graph shows the rise and the fall of internet users of Bangladesh from 2012 to 2070. Maybe you can understand, and thus in this way you can write your graph chart, so you can get full marks. Okay, all of you. So finally we can say you can understand today's lesson, and in this way you can write at your home another graph chart, and you will practice already you will practice at your home another graph chart. Okay, maybe you can understand easily. So that's it, today's no more today. Finally we can say you are well and safe. Today's condition is not good, so you don't go outside unnecessarily. You are safe and well, and I pray for you so that you are well. Take care. See you again next class. Take care and thank you. Allah Hafiz.